Today, I'm going to teach you how to filter dynamic datasets in Wix CMS. This is incredibly useful when you want to display specific content from your collection based on certain conditions, like showing only featured products or filtering blog posts by category. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your site settings and configurations. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to add the filter to your dynamic dataset. It's always good to double-check you're working on the right project before making any changes. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. You'll typically find this beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the editor. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. From here, start by locating an element that you can connect your CMS with. This could be a repeater, gallery, or any element designed to display dynamic content. Select the element by clicking on it, and a menu will appear above it. From that menu, click on Connect to CMS. This is the foundation for setting up your filtered dataset. Now, to apply a filter on your CMS, you'll need to start by adding your dataset. Click on Select Dataset and choose the dataset under the Collection drop-down menu. Then click Create. Once your dataset is added, you'll notice a right side menu appears with various configuration options. From your dataset configuration, click on Dataset Settings. This section gives you control over how your data is displayed and filtered. Scroll down a bit until you find the filter option. This is exactly where you can add the filter on your dynamic dataset, allowing you to control what content gets shown based on specific criteria. A small Add Filter window will appear. From here, you can set the field title that you want to filter by, whether that's a category, date, status, or any other field in your collection. Then set the conditional statement from the drop-down menu. This could be something like equals, contains, is greater than, or any other logical operator that fits your needs. Next, set the value of what you're filtering. For example, if you're filtering by category, you'd enter the specific category name. Once you're ready and everything looks correct, simply click on Add Filter, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a filter for your dynamic dataset in Wix CMS, giving you precise control over what content displays on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.